Hello, this is my third part of the SAT math questions, and here's what the question says. It says, if there is a circle with a rectangle inscribed inside of it, and the rectangle's dimensions are 3 by 4, what is the circumference and area of the circle? Well, to find this out, we need to know one thing, which is the Pythagorean Theorem. Which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now remember, this is only useful on right triangles, which in this case, this is a right triangle. So let me just draw this right here. So we're trying to find this, because once we know this is the diameter. Once we know the diameter, we'll just multiply it by pi. And then also write pi times d equals circumference. Okay, so if this is 3 and this is 4, well, what's this? Well, according to the Pythagorean theorem, we can write 3 squared plus 4 squared equals, we'll just write c squared for now. Okay, so 9 plus 16, well, that's 25. And the square root of 25 is equal to 5. So we know that this side right here is 5. So if this side is 5, that's the diameter. Now we know that pi times 5 is the circumference. So the circumference is simply 5 pi. But what if we wanted to find the area? Well, the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. So we know that the diameter is 5. If the diameter is 5, the radius is exactly half of that, which is 2.5. So our new formula here is pi times 2.5 squared. Now, 2.5 squared is simply 6.25. So the area is 6.25 pi, and the circumference is 5 pi. This SAT question says that if there are 4 students in the class of 2014, 10 are taking Spanish, and 29 are taking French. If 7 students are taking neither, how many students are taking both? Well, first of all, we're going to have to write down all these numbers. So we have 10 taking Spanish, we have 29 taking French, and we have 7 that are not taking anything. So here's what we have to do. In order to find out how many students are doubling up, we're going to have to add up all of the numbers minus, we'll call it x. X is the number of students that are taking both. So we have the number of Spanish plus number of French plus number of neither minus the number that are taking both equal to 40. We subtract the number that are taking both because if they're taking both, they shouldn't be counted twice. They should only be counted once. So we can see that this is 46 right here. So this equation is simply 46 minus x equals 40. Well, we can see that 46 minus 6 should give us 40. So x is equal to 6 students. So there are 6 students doubling up. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe or comment on my videos, and I will see you next time.